Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make a food restaurant menu in Photoshop. Create a new canvas in 300 dpi. Add textures background like paper or wood. Now place restaurant logo and at the top center. Divide layout into sections, starters, mains, drinks. Use decorative fonts for headings. Add small food icons next to each item. Include realistic food photos for appeal. Now apply light shadows for depth. Add price tags clearly aligned to the right. Use color accents, machine restaurant theme. Keep enough space for easy branding. Save as print PDF and digital JPG. Your Photoshop menu look deliciously professional. Thanks for watching.